CVE-2023-32784 is a vulnerability found in the open-source password manager KeePass. This flaw allows attackers to extract the master password directly from the software's memory, even when the application is locked or inactive. It exposes your master password to various memory sources, and although the first character is excluded, it's a cause for concern. If your machine is clean and you use robust password encryption, you may not be significantly impacted. Nonetheless, users should remain vigilant. Currently, there's no evidence of active exploitation. However, the vulnerability revolves around residual strings in memory, making it complex to eliminate once generated. This issue has been addressed in KeePass 2.54, and users are encouraged to update to this version as soon as possible.